What's up, everyone? We are going to be checking out the areas that you saw in the beginning, right before you saw my beautiful face. I just wanted to point out a few things before we get into this video. I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert on the Villages area, so sometimes I misspeak and call things the wrong names or whatever. Feel free to correct me on the channel. It's fine. I know several of you got me about the BEXLEY Bridge, me calling it the BEXLEY Bridge when it's really the BEXLEY Bridge. No big deal. I don't mind that. But just understand, these videos are not like, it's not me being paid professionally to go out and do these videos for you. I just go out there because I like flying my drone around and looking at different things, and I also like seeing the growth in the villages. It's interesting to me. I like business and things like that. Anyway, with that being said, we're going to look at the entire Cason Hammock, Citrus Grove, St. Catherine, EZELL area, Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course area, and the BEXLEY Bridge. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, enjoy it or something. I don't know. Like it. Alright, so we're going to start on the Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course. This runs right alongside the turnpike between the turnpike, Cason Hammock, and Citrus Grove. You can see the BEXLEY Bridge there. BEXLEY, as I've been corrected like 8,000 times. I'm really sorry about that. This is Cason Hammock, actually right here to your left. This is the Cason Hammock side. The Southern Oaks Golf Course, the front 9 and the back 9 are each on a different side of BEXLEY Road. So you have Cason Hammock on the western side, and then you have Citrus Grove on the eastern side. Now, this is all just south of Clifton Cove putting course, just a putting course, and that opened up on the 15th of January. So I'll show you in a little bit where that is in relation to this. We're going to turn toward it now, turn in that direction, and that is Citrus Grove over on the eastern side of BEXLEY. I believe it's BEXLEY Trail, don't hold me to that. Which is that road right there. And then you have 9 holes on this side and 9 holes on the other side. 3 3s, 3 par 4s, 3 par 5s, each on each side. Another cold morning here, so you see the fog rolling off the water. There are some people out here brave enough. This is about 7:20, 7:30 in the morning, I believe, out here golfing, which is kind of interesting. And then you have the EZELL Regional Rec Center up in the foreground there, up in the background actually. So you can see that they are still working on that area, but that is also where Clifton Cove putting course is in the top left there. And like I said, that opened on the 15th, so that is open now. You can bring your own putter and golf balls, or you can borrow them from the EZELL Rec Center. Now as we turn to the east here, this is the eastern side of BEXLEY Trail, and there is Citrus Grove up at the top here. This side has a longer bridge, which you can see coming up here. And then we're actually, that bridge goes over the water is what I'm talking about. And then you can see in the top right, the BEXLEY Bridge, that's your connectivity bridge, which is going to go span the turnpike and connect everything, golf cart, car, everything from the north side of the turnpike to the south side. Right on the south side, that's where that medical center is going to be. I'm sure you've heard me talk about it at all if you've watched any of my videos of this area. This is kind of an overview video of where everything is at and everything that's going on. Quite a bit going on out here right now, because you have Citrus Grove going on, Cason Hammock. They just opened the recreation center in Cason Hammock. Homestead Rec Center is the Citrus Grove Rec Center, which will be opening shortly. They are waiting for that. Then you obviously have the Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course, which we're on and taking a look at. And we'll go over both Citrus Grove, Cason Hammock later on in this video, and we'll get a closer look at the BEXLEY Bridge as well. This is facing the east to where Citrus Grove will bump up against Newell, and the new areas that are headed out toward Leesburg along the turnpike. That is the turnpike running right there. And then you can see Cason Hammock up in the background. This is facing the other way now. We're going back west. So you can see several areas here. You see St. Catherine. Hawkins is also up here. Like I said earlier, Cason Hammock, the recreation center, was just done, or just opened, I should say, a few days ago. I want to say about 4. Today's the 16th. I think they opened it on like the 13th or something like that. This here is Citrus Grove. Citrus Grove, just like Cason Hammock, pretty much built out now. People are moving in. Quite a few new people in this area now. And this is just west of Newell and south of St. Catherine. That's actually Megason Road running along the bottom of the video here. Megason runs all the way up into Brownwood Square. So you can, obviously the golf carts run, or the golf cart paths run all over the place. Currently you have to drive all the way over via golf cart if you want to go to the south, all the way over by the Water Lily Bridge, and take the Water Lily Bridge south over the turnpike. But that'll change with the addition of this, the BEXLEY Bridge, once this is finished. The plans are currently to be done in 2023. You can see quite a bit of the construction going in. I feel like every time I come out here, there's something new. I think they're using the old bridge to take equipment back and forth. It used to be a cow bridge for cows and livestock to get across the turnpike safely. This was all farmland once before. And this was on a Saturday morning, so they're out there working pretty diligently. Obviously it's the Villages, so they're trying to get all this stuff done as quick as possible. Just south of the turnpike here, on that area where there isn't anything going on, that's where that new medical facility is going to be. And then I wanted to speed this up for you, get some cool views of the steam rolling across the land there. It's pretty interesting. Views in the morning, especially when it's cold. You get the pretty skies and things like that. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am extremely worried about the traffic for this area, just based off of everything I've seen thus far with the traffic in my area. And I'm way, I don't know, I guess to the west, all the way down 42 of the northern side of the Villages, and the traffic is just absurd all the way up even to my exit, which is the Bellevue Dunellen exit. So I know Wildwood gets extremely busy right around rush hour, 4:30, 5 to 6 p.m. every night, because you get it coming off of the turnpike there at the Wildwood exit, and then you also get it coming off of Highway 44 along by Brownwood. I really hope they decide to do something, change traffic patterns, or just something to help the area out, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. Tell me what you think about that in the comments, how you think about the traffic, especially this time of year with all the seasonal residents and new residents even moving down, buying areas up in this. Have you seen an increase in traffic lately, or am I being a little crazy? As always, I appreciate you watching the videos. Thanks for standing by and checking out all the great views, and hopefully you'll like and subscribe and leave me some comments about what you'd like to see. Send me an email if you'd really like to see something, papapineapples@gmail.com. And as always, I will see you in the next one.